Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install AlmaLinux 8.8 on VirtualBox 7.0. So here you can see that I have updated to latest version of VirtualBox 7.0. Make sure that you also install the latest version of VirtualBox. Okay, first step is I am going to create on AlmaLinux 8.8 virtual machine. So I am providing some name. Next I am giving the directory path, folder path where VM is going to install. So ISO image, I am browsing the AlmaLinux 8.8 DVD/ISO file. Next I am allocating 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. So click the finish button. So AlmaLinux 8.8 virtual machine is created. Now I am going to configure some additional settings. Go to system, motherboard, uncheck floppy. Optical drive is the first device in boot order. And motherboard pointing device should be USB tablet. Next, network, I am going to select host only adapter. So it means that I am not going to connect to internet. It's a purely offline installation only. So let us start AlmaLinux 8.8 virtual machine. So let us start to install AlmaLinux 8.8. So AlmaLinux 8.8 installation screen arrived. So English will be the default language. Select the installation destination, and base operating system will be server with guide. Time and date according to my location I have selected. Root password, provide the root password. And provide the login username and password for that login username. Begin the installation. So installation is completed. Reboot AlmaLinux 8.8 VM. Accept the license agreement and finish the configuration. Okay, log into the AlmaLinux 8.8. Let me complete some initial settings. Yes, okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to insert the AlmaLinux 8.8 DVD/ISO file. Okay, so that means the AlmaLinux 8.8 DVD/ISO file once again. Okay, so from AlmaLinux 8.8 DVD/ISO file, I am going to copy some RPMs. Okay, so these RPMs are needed by VirtualBox Guest Addition software. Okay, so these are the list of RPMs I have copied to separate directory. So all these RPMs are available in AlmaLinux 8.8 DVD/ISO file itself. No need to download from internet. So I unmounted the DVD. Next I am starting to install the RPMs in a single shot. So this is the command to install all the RPM in a single shot. RPM space ivh star.rpm. So this will install all the RPMs in the current directory. So all the VirtualBox guest edition dependent RPMs are installed. Okay, next I am going to insert the VirtualBox guest edition CD image. So now I am going to copy the content of VirtualBox guest edition CD image to a separate directory. So after copying, I am giving some permission to that directory so that I can execute the scripts. Okay, so /VBoxLinuxAddition.run. So this will install the guest edition software. Make sure that dependent RPMs are got installed. Otherwise, this guest edition software will be a failure. Yes, so guest edition software installed successfully. So I am going to power off AlmaLinux 8.8 VM. Okay, go to settings. So general, advanced, shared clipboard bidirection, drag and drop bidirection. Next come to system, motherboard, hard disk will be the first device in boot order, and shared folder. I am going to mount one shared folder from Windows OS machine to AlmaLinux 8.8 virtual machine. So this is the shared directory. Let me auto mount it. Okay. Start the AlmaLinux 8.8 VM. Okay, so I have logged into AlmaLinux 8.8 virtual machine. So I open the terminal. Let me execute some commands, and I am going to copy this terminal output to Windows OS machine to check whether shared clipboard feature is working or not. Let me copy the content. Okay, I am able to copy paste from AlmaLinux 8.8 to Windows OS machine. Let me check from AlmaLinux 8.8 virtual machine to Windows OS machine. Okay, so shared clipboard feature is working. Now I am going to check shared folder feature. So shared folder is mounted, but it can be accessed as a root user only. So switch as a root user and go to cd/media. You can see that shared folder is got mounted, and also you can view the content of the shared folder. So AlmaLinux 8.8 virtual machine with guest edition is successful on VirtualBox 7.0.8.